Hey guys! Phoebe wanted me to hold her. Today is Wednesday, the 17th? Yeah, 17th. This vlog is basically going to be me painting my room because the color that the walls are now is like what the whole house is, because it came like the walls were like this when we bought it last year, and I just really wanted a lighter color to brighten up the room and make it feel even bigger. So yeah, I'm going to be painting my room and getting that all ready. Also, if you're wondering what's on my lips, I am wearing Maybelline's Matte in the shade Craving Coral 685, and this was, I went to Target yesterday with my mom, and I really like this color. It doesn't feel like it's on, it's pretty matte, it doesn't really move, and I only got this for like, was it like $150 or something because it was in the clearance section, but I love it, and I don't really have very many bright colors, so I thought I'd test this out, and I really am liking it. So now I'm just going to take things off my walls, move a few things, try to get ready for the paint. The paint is right here. I got 2 cans because, oh, it's heavy, because I also am going to be painting like inside, like the bathroom. If you don't, have you ever seen my room before? This wall over here, my door's right there, and then there's another just like opening, and that's where the sink and my closet are, and then it goes into another door that has the shower and the bathroom. I'm painting all of that as well. So I got the shade, what is this? Willow Springs, and it's a cute name. And it's just, it's not white, but it's not cream. It's kind of like an off-white color. Ugh, it's so heavy. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's this color right here. It's pretty light. So I wasn't gonna get like total white, but oh, I also forgot. My mom and I also went to Kirkland's. I'm not sure if that's like all over the United States, but Kirkland's is really cute. It's just like a home decor type of store, and we found this, and it says there are so many reasons to be happy, and it's pretty small, but it's so cute, and it was only like $5 or something because it was on clearance, and I just love it, and it's just simple and cute. Okay, let's get started. So it's already like 4 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon, so it's not super bright in here, sorry about that, but I had other things to do, and then I got ready. But if you don't know, I was in an accident, if you haven't seen my past videos, if you're new here, and today marks 8 whole weeks since it happened, and I'm still recovering, and I'm still healing, and it's really getting on my nerves at this point. It's just, I'm just so over it by now. But hopefully within, you know, I want to say at like the least 2 weeks, like that's like hoping that'll be better, but realistically it probably will take 2 to 4 weeks. So there we go. So today I'm just wearing sweatpants, my house shoes, fuzzy socks, and this sweatshirt thing because I'm still recovering, so I'm just comfy and I'm just at my house. So let's start taking stuff off the walls. Oh, and by the way, I am going to be doing a room tour once my walls are painted, finally. That's what I've been waiting for, my walls to be painted. Alright, so I took everything off of my walls. I took everything off of my shelves, and I took my chair out so I could paint this humongous tall wall. That'll be the hardest thing to do because I have to bring the big ladder, and then everything's off there. I have to put all of my stuff that was on my shelf somewhere. It's all just in piles. Okay, so the footage that I just had got deleted out of accident, but basically I was just saying how I put up my lights so I could see better because it's like 7:20. We just had dinner. I filmed before dinner talking to you about this, but obviously that got deleted. So yeah, I put up the lights, and then I have, gosh, this big ladder. It's so tall. Got that up here, and then got all the wrapping done just in case anything drips. So I think I'm all ready to go. I got the paint and everything, so let's get started. I'm so excited. Okay, so I know that it's not the best lighting, but this is the only other mirror I could find in the house that you could see my whole outfit. Because the mirror that I have for my room is not in my room at the moment because I'm painting. I braided my hair, did my makeup as you saw. I have this cute little jacket. It's really fuzzy and oversized. It's a crop top black shirt, and then just these like jogger pants with some platform sneakers. And then I have my cute little TJ Maxx backpack. Comfy, whoop whoop. So now I'm just off to Walmart. Phoebe's stretching. Can you see her? Hi. Hi, baby. So now I'm just off to Walmart to get some different supplies to paint my room because the stupid brush that we found, I don't know, we can't find all of our brushes, and the one that we found, I cut, so it's angled, but it's not very good, so I'm gonna go get another brush, and then I need to go get like the little paint trays and stuff, and then I will be back home and start on my room. So, oh yeah, and I haven't ate yet, so I'm gonna get something to eat. Hey guys, so update. I went to Walmart and I got all of the supplies that I needed that we couldn't find or didn't have. And then I ended up going to my aunt's house and we just hung out for the rest of the day, and it's, let's see, what time is it? It's like, it's 9:26 right now, and I left my house at like, I want to say around 12-ish or a little, like 11:50 or something like that. So I've been out all day, so I didn't get to any painting today at all because I was at their house the whole time. So yeah, just updating. I got everything. This is day 2, Thursday, so we'll see how long this whole process takes to paint my room. And then I think I'm just gonna do a separate video for a room tour, because if I did both in one video, I think that would be like way too long. Alright, so I know that I didn't film yesterday, but today is Saturday, and we got all of this big wall done, which is very exciting. It makes me super happy. So yeah, that's about it. That's for my chicken for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so today is Sunday, and to check up, this is what we did today. Did all of that wall and the corner, hence all messy. Anyways, and then the whole bathroom is done. Well, the sink part of the bathroom is done. If you go over here, that's all done, and that's all done, and that's all done. And then we just have this part of the bathroom where the shower and the toilet are. And then after that, the only thing left is this wall over here. Everything is everywhere in my room because we had to move stuff. And then the rest of the window wall. Hey guys, so today is actually February 1st. I know it's been a long time since I last talked to you guys, but it took a while to get everything done and painted and situated and cleaned and all that because I had to have help. And my mom helped me because she could only help me certain times. But anyway, so my room is done. This is the big wall that I showed you last time by my door. I don't have everything put up yet because I just finished moving everything around last night. So, but I'm really, really happy with the turnout of the paint color. It just feels so much bigger and brighter in here. Oh, it's dark because of the window, but I have my clock up there. So walking into my room, you can see all of the stuff that I still need to put up on my walls. But I have my little fur rug, faux fur rug, then my shelves over here, and then we have the chair. So this is kind of like a lounging area by my window. Then here is my bath, like the entry to my sink, part of the bathroom, and my closet. And then, yeah, and then we have my beautiful desk over here, my dog bed, Phoebe's dog bed, my bed. Everything is going good. These things are up because I'm keeping that there. Okay, well the battery's about to die, so I will hurry up and get to it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little painting vlog. I love you. Subscribe if you are new, and go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget about those notification bells though, so you get notified when I post videos and upload. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!